What's up, tech fans? Today we're going to be taking a look at a power supply from the people over at Cooler Master. Now this is the bad boy in my hand. It's the V850 SFX Gold. It's a fully modular, semi-fanless, 80 plus gold certified SFX power supply. So let's dig in and let's see what this power supply is all about. Are you building a new computer or just upgrading an old one? If so, then chances are you need a new Windows 10 key. And CD Key Sales, they've got you covered. Buying has never been easier, and prices for Windows keys are under $20, and there's even additional discounts. All you need to do is go search for the software that you're looking for, add that software to your cart, create an account, and when you go to checkout, enter the code TT18 to get an additional 20% off.
Now, let's frag some.
All codes are guaranteed, and you'll be up and gaming in no time. So inside this box is a very nice power supply. Like I said, it features a quiet 92 millimeter FDB fan. It's in the SFX form factor. It has an SFX to ATX bracket included. Now, there are 16 AWG cables that are inside this box. We'll start unboxing it right now. So let's just do that. That's why I set this 2-camera angle. Here, this box opens. Okay, so we're gonna take it up here. I'm gonna go ahead and just open it like this. You can see it over there, nice and good. Sorry for these strange unboxings. Something's falling out, that's for the bracket. So we'll just open that up so you guys can see everything in there. Here are the brackets, and there are tie downs. So inside this little bag, you can see both the tie downs and the bracket. So this is going to be that SFX to ATX bracket that we were talking about before. Now, since this power supply is 90 gold certified, that means that it's going to, under normal circumstances, it's going to be running at 90% efficiency. So 90% efficiency, that's not bad, right? And that's what it's going to be running at. Also, this power supply is rather unique. So it's really small too. So here are all the cables. There are a bunch of different cables in here for pretty much everything that you could imagine under the sun. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at all the cables that are in here, because there are actually quite a few of them in here. The wires are more than anything else. Now, these are, like I said, these are the AWG cables. These are thicker and flatter, so they actually can produce more electricity through them. I mean, you've got everything you need. I mean, 1, 2, as I keep falling. I'm going to keep showing you guys my head. I'm going to be setting up for a better unboxing area. You know, I have to set up a whole other film area for doing that, because in here it's just not really meant for that. But I'll just hold them up here so everybody can see them, though. You can see all these. These are going to be your power cables. Set those down. Some more cables. These are the CPU cables. Right here it even says CPU on them. I'm going to take another look right here and see if the other ones actually have writing on them. Nope, those particular ones do. Some more of these. Set those down. Actually, even more of those. A lot of these. So for hooking up all your SATA drives, you've got a lot of cables. So I got 1, 2. We got 2 of those. The power. Okay, what else we got going on in here? Some more CPU cables. At least these are all marked. That's quite nice. Haven't done a power supply unboxing in a very long time, to be honest with you. More SATA connectors. So there's 4 sets of SATA connectors. Each one of them has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them on it. So you've got that going on. Oops. Your power cable. Nice thick power cable also. these aren't marked. Oh, yes, they are. These are your PCIe cables right here. Once again, they say PCIe, although I thought the whole power supply was, you know, based around that, but okay. And then last but not least, this says CMPSU. So a lot of different power cables in here. Now let me go ahead and do this. Let's get the power supply out. And like, this is very small. I mean, honestly, this is like the smallest power supply I've ever seen. Also, they say it's like a semi-fanless design. Let me get this up here so you guys can see this. On the side, you got a little warning label. And on the back, you can see where everything connects. Everything's well marked out, so you can see it. Good to go there. And then last but not least, we have all the nomenclature, all the information about it. It's very small as well. The power supply is only 3.94 by 4.92 by 2.5 inches, so it's a really small power supply. We can translate that into millimeters for you folks who aren't from the USA, but that's it, you know, single fan design on top. It's very, very small. This would be great for building like little tiny, you know, gaming systems. But since it's 850 watts, I mean, it could, you know, power, you know, something bigger. The thing is, there's just not a whole lot of cables in here to hook up a lot of video cards. So that's going to be the, you know, the thing about this particular power supply. And right here on the side, it does say, I don't think I've showed you guys this, it does say the name right there, the V850, yada, 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 yada. I'm using a second camera as well because I find that like this particular camera, I have it set on like eye lock. So it pretty much just locks like onto my eye. So a power supply that, you know, comes to market, it's about $209. It's SFX 90 gold certified, has a 10-year warranty. I mean, come on, a 10-year warranty. Have you ever known anybody in their life to own their PC for literally 10 years and keep it going? Usually stuff just fails or they move on. So having a warranty that's 10 years, to me, is kind of like saying, hey, you're getting a lifetime warranty, buddy. Because, I mean, I don't know about you, but I usually upgrade my computer at least every 2 to 3 years and more if possible if I've got the extra cash. So you guys know what I'm talking about. But all in all, I think it's pretty cool. I mean, all of these cables are completely flat. So they're gonna be, you know, really nice when you're building your system. I mean, a lot of people would probably complain and say, oh, they should be braided, but I mean, that's stuff that custom builders do. At least these are flat and they will fit in your system, so you really won't have to worry about too hard of cable management. They're very, you know, they're very pliable as well. So when you're doing your build, there shouldn't be too much of a problem, you know, working around it and doing good cable management. So that's it. I mean, there's not a whole lot on just a, you know, a power supply review. I mean, I could stick it inside of a system and say, hey, yeah, it's running the system, but beyond that, I mean, this is pretty much what there is about a power supply. I mean, it's small, it's powerful. I mean, what more does anybody want? You guys are looking to purchase one of these or seek more information, I'll have a link down below. So if you guys want to check that out, or if you want to just go out and buy one on a crazy whim, you can do that too. It's your choice. You have the power. Anyways, I'm Elric. Thanks for watching Tech Tomorrow. Kind of a different way to do unboxing, right? I mean, hey, but it's working for right now. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to be setting up a whole new area in my living room. I've got it all cleaned up and looking nice with surround sound systems and painting. So we'll be able to film out there and I'll be able to focus one camera really on an unboxing area and do more traditional like unboxings. I'm even going to try to experiment with like, you know, multiple cameras. So that'll be kind of cool as well. I'm trying to get better at doing videos this year. Sorry guys, I've been sick for a long time. A lot of things have been happening with COVID and everything that have been a real struggle, but I'm going to really get back into doing hardware reviews and the stuff that you guys actually want to see, which is, you know, PC related stuff. So excuse me as I dabble sometimes into music, but I will still be trying to bring you guys as much PC-oriented stuff that you guys, the audience, want to see. If you like my channel and you'd like to sub, please do so, but make sure you turn the notifications bell so that you know I'm making videos. Otherwise, you'll have no idea that I'm even making them. And if you want to support the channel, like I said, we'll have a link down below where you can try Amazon Prime for free for 30 days. Or if you have a single dollar, you can support us on Patreon. All the links are pretty much all down below. So just click more information on the video and you are good to go. So peace out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys back on the channel. I've got a lot of monitors coming up in the next couple of weeks. Got some sound stuff coming up. I got plenty of videos for February. This month I turn 56 years old, so let's see how good this old 56-year-old guy can do. Peace!